There is so much that is moving, and that there is so much optimism and so many possibilities for the future, that I'm really optimistic that in 10 years from now we will have a whole set of new therapies for patients.
Looking at different angles of the gene therapy and the RNA, we actually are all seeing challenges to develop all these therapies, but actually we are also all very confident that in the future those would be very good options for the patients.
Lots of perspective on the field of mRNA and gene therapies. There are lots of challenges to tackle to treat more patients in the future.
Well organized, and mRNA therapeutics and gene therapies in general have a massive potential for changing the landscape of medicines and revolutionize the way we treat patients.
I really appreciate the audience. The room was packed with people. They had interesting questions, really helping us to addressing the challenges which are ahead. And also the panel was a great team. We covered all the different areas. It was a great event to hear.